Get your brother. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Come here. Come here.
She's going to grab him. All right, I need one more volunteer to come down here.
Yeah.